So we got the stove all installed. We got the catalytic converter hooked up, and we got a fire going. Hey, so just got here this morning. We temperature is 0.6 degrees Celsius in the container. And I just started up the fire. Let's see what it is upstairs here. Barrel's starting to warm up, 40 degrees C already. Temperature in the container is 1 degree C. So 37 Fahrenheit. So we'll let the fire run for a little bit and see how quickly this warms up. It's 9:40 right now. I just lit the fire a couple of minutes ago. It's 3 degrees down below, and anyway, there's the fire starting to go. Starting to heat up. So I gotta watch the fire. I gotta get a better damper. The damper on the stove's not that great. So I gotta put another damper above it because it gets way too hot too fast. So anyway, we'll let the fire go for a bit and we'll see how we do upstairs. See how quickly it raises temperature. So it's been about 20 minutes since I started the fire. Let me turn this around. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes since I started the fire. Not sure if you can see that. The stovepipe right above the stove is 517 degrees. The barrel is sitting at 200, 300 degrees at the top. And the room ranges 50 degrees, 70 degrees, 80 degrees. We're reading the wall of the container at this point, but since it's 30 outside, it's already rose a few degrees in just 20 minutes. So, and it's actually quite warm already in the container. These are the walls. So, yeah, the heat transfer unit's working great. I just got to work on the balancing act. I think I got to put another damper just above the stove a little bit because the one in the stove is too close. And anyway, I'm going to play around with it a little more. I definitely got to get an insulated pipe on the outside. We don't have an insulated pipe on the outside yet, so I just got a regular straight stove pipe. Apparently you need the insulated pipe to keep the smoke from condensing in the pipe. Anyway, that's where we're at. We got a great little heating system. If we can balance it out and fix a few little issues with it, it's gonna be a great way to heat the container over the winter time. Because yeah, it's 0 degrees outside in Celsius, and It's toasty warm in here. I got to take the sweatshirt off. I'm already heating up. So it's great. Success.
If you guys did enjoy that video, I hope you did. Give us a subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell. You'll see all our new videos. Like the video if you did. You know, share it to your friends and family. We love doing this stuff. We want to keep doing it.